Imagine the thrill of a car race, the roar of engines, the squeal of tires, the adrenaline rush as vehicles zoom past at breakneck speed. Now picture creating that experience from scratch, crafting every twist, turn and turbo boost in a video game that players worldwide can enjoy. Today we delve into the fascinating process of game development. First things first, every great game starts with a compelling concept. This concept acts as the backbone of the game, guiding its development and shaping its identity. It's the seed from which the entire game will grow. For our car racing game, this might mean deciding on the style of racing, the types of cars, and the feel of the game. Once we have the concept, it's time to create a game design document. This document serves as a blueprint for the game, detailing everything from gameplay mechanics to art style. It states the game's objectives, outlines the player's journey, and even describes the sound effects that will bring the game to life. In essence, the game design document is the game in its purest, most abstract form. Next, we turn to the technical side of things, programming. This is where the game starts to take shape. Programmers write the code that makes the game run, turning the ideas in the game design document into a playable experience. For a racing game, this might include coding the physics of the cars, the AI of the opponents, and the controls for the player. Then comes the art. Artists create the visual assets that give the game its unique look and feel. They design the cars, the tracks, the scenery, everything the player will see. For a racing game, this might involve designing sleek, futuristic vehicles, or perhaps rugged off-road behemoths, depending on the concept. Sound design is another critical aspect of game development. Sound designers create the audio that immerses players in the game world. They record the roar of engines, the screech of tires, and the triumphant music that plays when a player crosses the finish line. Finally, after all the elements are in place, it's time for testing. Testers play the game, looking for bugs and glitches that need fixing. They also provide feedback on the game's balance and difficulty, helping to fine-tune the experience for players. So to summarize, the game-making process involves several key steps. Each of these steps is crucial to creating a game that is fun, engaging, and visually stunning. From the initial concept to the final round of testing, every element of the game-making process contributes to the final product. So the next time you're hurtling down a virtual track, spare a thought for the countless hours of work that went into creating that experience.